Do you have your license on you?
I'm sorry?
Do you have your license on you? What are you reaching for, man? Put your hands up. What are you reaching for?
What do you mean?
What are you reaching for? You speak English, buddy. I know you speak English. Do you have your license on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have any paperwork for the car or anything like that?
Yes.
Okay, show me the paperwork.
House. Can you follow me?
No, I'm not following you nowhere.
Why?
Listen, do you have the paperwork for the car or no?
Yes. I think I do have some.
Car 0795 Roll.
I have the rest at the house.
Okay, where are you going?
Home.
From where?
From Publix.
From where? Publix?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay. Just hop on out, buddy. Step out of the car.
I cannot.
Hey, don't me. Do you understand that?
Do not pull away.
Get
out.
Watch
Get out.
No.
Listen, we're gonna tell you one time, and then we're gonna make you get out of the car.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay. No,
get out of the.
I got
Put your hands up and get out of the. Understand? Get out of the car. Get out of the car. It's your last chance. 1, 2, 3. Get out of the car. Get out of the. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Pull him out. Pull him out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Let me do it myself.
Get out of the car.
Just stop.
Get out of the car.
Just stop doing that.
Car's off. Get out of the car. Last chance.
I got it.
Get out of the
car. Okay, I got it. I got it. Hey, hands on your back. Hands on your back.
Man, you don't have to do that.
Listen.
I'm listening.
We're going to be Oldham Lee and Berkeley. Oldham and Berkeley.
Cars motor 3, 2010.
In custody, everyone else can slow.
We're detained 1331, continuing 33, total advice.
Roll those medics.
You're rolling medic.
That's only reference the taser deployment. No one. You right? You good? I'm good.
Copy. EMS for taser deploy only.
Yeah, you need to go to the hospital. Yeah.
Anybody else in the car?
No, sit down. It's him.
Can I have my shoes back, please?
No, you can't have no shoes back. This way. Hey, you should get out of the car.
Because I asked you. Let me come.
No, we're not here to talk. We're telling you to get out of the car. You gotta get out. Have a seat.
Okay, easy. Can I have my nose?
No, man, no. Take that. You can't look. No, I'm just asking for food. Have a seat, buddy. Have a seat. You alright?
Yeah, I got bit a little bit.
Yeah, I got stung a little bit.
Yeah.
Sorry. I don't know how to jump on it. I'm low one. Yeah, I got sparked too, bro.
I know. I was like,
I don't know how I got sparked.
my both arms got locked
the wires were all over.
Probably. You good?
Yeah.
His blood right here.
Yeah, he was reaching hard, man. So I don't know if he has a gun or a knife over there.
All right.
But
Do you have one? Do you have one more? Or I'll grab one. ID card only.
yeah, he's habitual. He's the RO. I stopped his kids one day.
Did you?
Yeah, he was in jail. I stopped his kids. He beats up his kids too. But I was trying to figure out what he was reaching for, man. That'll work out, man. I'm out of shape. It's probably the beer cans that are back here. That's what it was.
First Lake Drive and Military Trail, then next to Military Clinic Park. Calling in at 27 Silver. I'm sorry. Silver Color 27 Silverado. Other involved with the
Yeah, that's what it was.
with a blower and only.
No, it's not cold. No, it's not cold. But that's probably what he was trying to hide. And the rest are all sealed.
So no late later.
You didn't see nothing in the passenger seat?
No, that's not.
You wanna move your car, Julio? I'll stand. Oh, it's
I'm off
that's
the
junk.
side.
Okay.
Yeah, give people a chance to get in and get out. Está pidiendo agua.
Okay. Well, fire is there, knowledge. Yeah, give us a second, buddy. Give us a second. Yeah, I know. That's why fire rescue's here. They're gonna take you to the hospital. And then you go to jail.
You know, let them know.
Yeah. Hold on.
I'm telling you, fire rescue now.
You're gonna go to the hospital. They're gonna clear you, and then you're gonna go down to jail. Thank you, sir.
Can you explain it more?
Yeah, it does. The taser.
Because
They won't clear him again. I'm just shooting with the taser. But when he gets to the hospital, 3 seconds. The guy comes in there, boom, boom, boom. And they're out. Hello. Taser deployment, so these guys get transported down to.
Oh?
He has to get transported for the taser deployment.
Okay.
That's our thing.
He's got to get checked out by hospital anyway.
They have to get cleared by medical staff at the hospital. That's the only way they'll take him out of jail.
Okay. All right. Hey, you want to get him in his shoes? You guys coming with us?
Yeah, or somebody else.
Step out, sir.
I can get my shoes.
Oh, step out.
Stop shooting that.
Okay, buddy. Just wait right here.
No, I just need my
shoes.
shoes.
I know, let's cover your shoes right now. Go for it, I'll hold you.
Can you take this off?
No, put your shoes on. Just slip them on.
He has all the information. I am.
His ID? Give him 1 second.
Check you, make sure you have nothing. All right. Let's walk over with
One
them.
more thing.
My buddy, what do you want?
I need my glasses. The glasses. No, this one you can take off. I need my glasses. There is a glasses. Because
Okay,
I
we'll
don't
get
see.
that. We'll get that in a little bit. Let's walk over.
No, I needed to
Okay.
read or anything.
Okay, you're not reading anything.
Oh, okay.
We're going to the... No, we're going to the rig.
Take this shit off.
We have to take it. We have to go over there.
Take
They're going to take
this.
it off over there. That's why we're going into the rig.
Heading 77, copy 51.
Okay. Just wait.
He said everything. Sign everything.
No, he was inside the car. He fell back. Inside the car. So, no punches, no things. No, nothing. Somebody has to ride. Somebody has to ride. You want to ride that?
That's why I was asking for one phone call so my son can come and take the car.
No.
No, wait.
I talked to your sons, man. Your sons are not part of the charade that you do.
Let me turn up.
Yeah, I've talked to them before. Yeah, we can.
You mean to Alan?
The what? I've talked to them before. Both of them. Both of them. I stopped them. While you were in jail.
Stop from one.
For speeding. While you were in jail.
Non-valid habitual, impound vehicle,
I'm lying to you.
clear of the path.
They were driving your other car. They got towed.
Yeah.
That was me.
He's going to be here.
You gotta stop driving.
You are lucky.
Yeah,
You are local. Be lucky.
you're good. Your kids are good kids.
I know.
You're not a good guy.
I'm good guy. I'm supporting them. I'm feeding them. I'm working. I'm the only one at the house. I don't know now. That's why I was asking you to let me go.
Thank you.
Ready, bud?
Hop up here. Got it? Get you on the stretcher.
Dale.
You
Do I
know
go
where
in?
you're going?
Yeah, I don't know. You find out, you let me know. All right, I'll follow you. Thank you, gentlemen.